So here's the best way to make 10K per month online from home as a complete beginner. And don't worry if this seems highly competitive. The market for this is billions and billions. And besides, 95% of you have already scrolled by. Anyway, so make sure you like and save the video for later. Now let me walk you through the process. So this whole process is called affiliate marketing. Sometimes it's called freelance digital marketing. You can go to digistore24.com and then get started for free. Then head over to the marketplace where you can select any one of these categories. I'm going to go with this one, health and fitness. Then we're going to find a super popular product like this one that has a high commission percentage. You want to select a super popular product because it's going to save you a ton of time, and it's popular because other affiliates are promoting it and customers are actually seeing results with it. Now, when you promote that link and somebody purchases, you get paid a commission. My favorite way to do this is high ticket affiliate marketing, where the commissions are $1,000 plus. To find out more details, follow me and go to my profile.